Do you like the idea? Doobly as a final destination? And just to clarify one thing, everything we are talking about here from now on to the next break is Doobly 2.0. And our launching date for that will be plus minus few days around the 25th in this month. I just want to go through the pricing for the logger system, because the logger system, I really think this is one of the greatest products here. And again, as Mauricio said, it's really bringing loyalty to the customer, to Doobly. And what we're going to do is, we're going to all customers out there that just registering for free on Doobly, we're going to offer them a free email and also free logger space. A premium package, I will come back to that later what that is, but that's a new subscription we're introducing later here. A premium package will actually get 5 gigabytes and they can upgrade for only €2.50 to 50. The final subscription is the VIP subscription, and they will actually start with 100 gigabyte storage space. What you need to understand is, when this day is over, with all those products we're bringing to the market, with all those advantages that we're offering, a free customer, a customer who's not paying for anything, he just go in, register with his name and email address. Nobody else out there is offering what we're offering. And that's the key to success. That's the reason why this will spread out. That's the reason why I said before this, that we are before the beginning in Doobly. Now I want to show you some website. I want to show you some flow so you understand how user-friendly this new site is. And as you know, our site today, it can be hard to find some of our products like the cash organizer. But look what we are going to offer the customer in the future. One page called the Control Center. And from this page here, you immediately get the overview of everything you have in Doobly. Your account overview, how many credits you have in your account, your membership status, your cash organizer, how much money you have in your cash organizer, how much monthly cashback you earn, that's the earned and that's the pending, annual cashback from the shopping mall, cashback since your registration on Doobly. That means if you've been a member for 2-3 years, we will show the whole amount. And why do you think we want to show the whole amount? It's the best advertising to show this to your customers. And the last box here is Earn Rewards, and that's for the new customer referral program, and I'm coming back to that, and that will make you also very, very excited. But the whole control center are built up in 4 sections. You have your account here, with all important things one click away. You have your auction here, express auction, gift card auction, unique bid. You have your shopping mall with all the links, and you have your own entertainment here. And actually the entertainment will be a lot bigger when we're launching on the 25th because of the product you're going to see later today. So unbelievably easy. Let me show you how all this is working now. Actually, I need to go back here. Let's start on the first one here. Now I understand it. It's not, it has to warm up, Mauritius. Just hold it for 5 seconds, then it is coming here. So click on the first one here, My Profile. As I said, everything is one click away. I click now, and now I'm in My Profile. And now I can go to the rest of the category, but I can also just click here and go back when I'm finished, and I'm back to the control center. That's how easy it is to navigate from the control center to everything in your back office. Is that not amazing? Let me show you some different pages here. And here, I will come back to that. Now, I'm coming back to that. From now on, everybody who's registered on Duplin.com can participate in a new customer referral program. That means it doesn't matter if you're a free customer or you are a premium subscriber or you're a VIP subscriber. And what you're going to do is now you're going to earn a residual income of all your customers. That in theory means if you sign up as a free customer and you bring somebody into the business who registered for a premium, you will actually earn money every month on your cash organizer from this new customer. And everybody in the future, there's also a new thing, will get a cash organizer. So if you are just a free customer or premium customer or VIP, if you bring a premium package in, a premium package, I'll come back to that, is a combination of Smart Shopper, is a combination of our entertainment subscription and a lot more. And the price will only be $495 or €495. For every customer you bring in, as long as they're a customer, you will earn a residual income of 50 cents. I know how big bucks you're earning out there, but still you can clap a little bit of 50 cents. For the ordinary customer, it's good. Because if you bring in 10 customers, you have your own subscription for free. VIP, for every single VIP member you're bringing in, $2.50 or €2. And again, the same principle, bring in 10 VIP customers and you have your own subscription for free. Help 10 people saving money, listen to free music and you have your own for free. And as I already told you, the whole marketing, what we want to learn customer is recommend it and get your own for free. Of course, when people are using this new referral program, every single customer will be tagged to you as a business associate. That means that when customers really starting bringing customers in, they will all be your personal customers. Here's our cash organizer, our Duplin MasterCard, and now I think a lot of people around the world will be very excited because what we're introducing now is actually if you sign up for the premium or the VIP subscription for 1 year, immediately you receive your card without waiting for it. So you qualify immediately. The next thing we're going to talk about is a whole new way to pay on Duplin. And I'm going to introduce our CFO, Mark Makowski, here to the stage here. So please give him a warm welcome. And he's also in this team that has been working really, really hard over the last couple of months to have everything ready for you here. So please give a warm welcome to Mark Makowski.